is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. First, today we are celebrating, honey. We are celebrating. This morning I woke up to 100 subscribers, and to me that feels like 1,000,000 subscribers. Am I crazy for that? YouTube is something that I have been wanting to do. I finally mustered up the courage to do it, and I just feel so grateful that I have you guys here. Not only that, but like 100 of you guys subscribe to my channel because you wanted to see more content from me, because you value what I say. I value you guys. Like, I am so absolutely grateful. So I want to thank you guys so much. If you haven't already, come join the fam. Oh, let me introduce myself. What's up, you guys? My name is Xiomara. I am the soul that wants to show you the hidden blessings in life. If it's not your first time here, well, welcome back. You could tell I have a little bit of a different background, honey. Okay, I'm giving you guys a little flavor, you know what I'm saying? In today's video, we are hopping into everything that I wrote down that came to fruition. You guys seem to really be liking my manifesting and journaling scripting video, and so I'm like, let me let them know what came true for me and my journaling experience. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we're just gonna hop right into the content, okay? The first manifestation that I wanna get into is buying a new car. So back in 2018 was when I started kind of realizing my capabilities in terms of manifestation and kind of creating my reality in a sense. God willing, of course. And so in 2018, I was writing to myself and I said, being able to purchase my first big girl car because I did that will most likely bring me to tears. It's so funny because I wrote this journal entry to myself, and that was just something that I was interested in. I was going on this journey of financial literacy, and you know, I had the idea, okay, I'm gonna start really actively saving money, building my credit so I can walk into a dealership and purchase a car and get it popping, you know. And it's funny because on April 6, 2018, I write back in my journal kind of saying, you know, it feels good to be back. I haven't written in this journal for what seems like a month, and I'm happily here to say that I bought my first big girl car last month. I'm so unbelievably overwhelmed with joy that I not only said I was going to do something, but I did it. And so if you guys can see, like, my previous entry, before it happened, I said I did that, and then a month later I said I did it. You know what I'm saying? It's absolutely incredible to just see it happen and come to fruition on paper. So that was when I started realizing, okay, this writing it down and journaling thing, it works. When God says make it plain upon tables, make it plain upon the tables, y'all. Write it in your journal. Listen, if you're a journal company, come over here. Okay, let me be your brand ambassador because, okay? All right, so the second thing that I manifested was my dream careers. And in Las Vegas, it's normal for you to have a service industry job. And these jobs are amazing because the money is amazing on top of the flexibility that like the schedule provides you. So it was a great job to have. I kid you not. But on the sides, I was always doing internships or freelancing gigs because I have always been a creative. I'm a content creator. I went to school for integrated marketing communications, so that was my main focus. I started realizing, you know, like post-grad, I really want a full-time gig. But if you guys know, post-grad or really at all in life, it's really hard to find a job. Indeed, LinkedIn, okay, somebody needs to figure that out. We all need to have a talk, because why is it nearly impossible? Like, why am I applying to 500 jobs knowing you're looking at 5,000 other resumes? Like, here I go doing the math again. But anyway, it was one of those things that I was like, you know what? I'm going to speak this into existence. I'm going to talk to God. Hey God, I'm ready for a job, you know? And the thing that I've realized is the only way you really receive what you need is because God knows the desires of your heart, but you have to be in the right mental space to receive it. So that's what I'll say on that. But on October 2nd, 2019, I wrote to myself, I'm about to receive a job offer, take it. Little heart to myself. Thank you for this offer and believing in me. I can't wait to prove myself in this position, not to anyone else, but to me. Thank you. So I'm already in that grateful state, giving gratitude for receiving a position that I didn't even know really existed at that time. And so this was on October 2nd. So on October 9th of that year, 2019, one of my friends called me, kind of just like updating me on her life, told me that she was up for a promotion. And with that being said, her position would be available to just go online and apply. That's exactly what I ended up doing. There was actually an available position already on the website for this advertising agency. So I applied, and next thing I know, I'm starting a job on October 21st. So within a month, I wrote it down, made it plain upon tables that I was going to have a new job, got the job offer, and started a position. On October 20th, 2019, I'm writing to myself, tomorrow I start my new job. Internally, I'm nervous, but I'm really excited. It's like the first day of school. Gosh, we all go through things that we want to achieve. We just don't know how it's going to happen. But I think that's the best part. That's where the magic happens, in the not knowing. That is the hidden blessing of manifestation journaling. You are writing it down, not knowing the in-between journey, how it's going to happen, why, when, or where, but just having that faith that it's yours. I promise you, it's like, it's unmatched. It's unmatched. So the next manifestation is writing a book and creating a brand. So this journal prompt that I'm going to put up, it looks like chicken scratch, I know. In this moment on July 2nd, 2020, I was praying to God and asking for clarity and inspiration. And in this moment, God was literally working through me. God told me that I was going to be an author, an owner, a collaborator. And in this moment, I'm working at the ad agency. So I'm kind of just like, well, where is this gonna happen? I'm giving all my creative energy to this advertising agency that I loved, by the way. Shout out to y'all. You guys are I love you guys so much. And I was just like, interesting. I didn't know that this was a part of my path, but for me, asking for clarity and inspiration and receiving that vision, there was no questions asked. I had to make it happen. So I wrote a book, A God's Dream, and it's just so crazy, guys. This is a tangible, look at this. Self-published a book, you guys, during a pandemic, and this was like the greatest project that could ever happen to me. I just remember wow, I really did that, I posted a video about my publishing journey, but I think I'm gonna go post another video of an in-depth self-publishing, all of the things under the sun in regards to publishing a book, because that was such an amazing project. I will also link in the description box below if you guys want to pick it up. A God's Dream. Love it. So the next manifestation that we're going to talk about is moving to Austin, which is where I'm currently at. I want you guys to see this view, so I'm going to let you guys check it out. I wrote to myself on June 11th, 2020, Austin, Texas. In a few months, I will be moving to Texas, and as nervous as I am, I'm very excited. Vegas has been my home for 7 years, but now it's time for a new chapter. I'm really looking forward to all the new experiences that will present themselves to me. I'm excited for the food scene. I can't wait for the real city life. New friends, new coworkers, and an amazing experience. Austin, Texas is going to be the best 25th birthday gift a girl can ask for. Making the move to Austin, baby. So this was June 11th, you guys. So this is middle of the pandemic. I don't know how, when, or why I'm moving to Austin, but I was going to make it happen. The biggest thing that I'm realizing in terms of manifesting is if God funds it, that's when it's meant to be. I realize moving to a different state is not easy. It's time consuming. It requires a lot and a lot of money. So for me, if God wasn't funding it, if I didn't already have a position lined up, I wasn't going to go. I'm getting emotional. So I ended up moving out here. We not cry. Don't make her cry in the club. I'm not gonna cry in the club, y'all. Okay, I had to find the journal entry of me post moving to Austin. On October 27th, I wrote, I made it. Sorry, let me rewind. I lost my journal for a month and was unable to update you guys, but on my move, well, family, we made it to Austin. I am so excited because we managed to create my own reality yet again. It is just so crazy, guys. unbelievable to really see your dreams, everything that you write down, come to fruition. Again, if it's God funded, if it's in God's will, it will happen. And you really just have to write it down. I'm the journal advocate. But I'm here in Austin. It is February, so I've been here for about 4 months, and I am in love with the city, exactly what I knew I would. I love my coworkers, I love my job, I love all of the food, I love the people. I'm gonna do a video on Austin and probably a series on Austin because this is probably my favorite city, and I want you guys to experience that with me as well. So that leads me into my final manifestation that I have written down recently, and that is my YouTube career. I am on the road to 22,000 subscribers in 2021. And where did 22,000 come from? I don't know. It was a number in my heart, and I was like, okay, we're coming for 22,000. I have a feeling that the majority of people that are watching my videos are not actually subscribed. So if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button for me. Come join the family. I would love to have you. I'm really enjoying creating content for you guys, engaging, you guys commenting on my videos, letting me know what you like, what you want to see. That means the world to me because I've been on this YouTube platform for a while, just enjoying other people's content. So I know what it feels like to genuinely enjoy and like want to hang out with them, and it feels great. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, for joining the family. It means the absolute world to me. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll be doing an 1,000 subscribers special and giveaway. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're already on our way. And I'm just so happy to have you guys. If you can't tell, I feel like I'm smiling like cheek to cheek. My jaw is hurting, so yes, my jaw is like hurting. I'm just smiling so much. I've been smiling all morning, you guys. I'm like 100 subscribers. Those my friends. Those my friends. Okay, anyway, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you in the next one. And before I go, you guys already know, we're just getting started. We're just getting started.